Hero is the fat dog from Milwaukee, and you're watching the DB Rap.
I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast, but I'm not leaving.
Alright, my name is Akshay. I'm from Fresno, California. I'm 23 years old. This is my BMW. It's a 340i M Sport. Yeah, it's 2016. Dude, mods that I have done to it, I just got it carbon fibered, so all around the front and the back diffuser and the spoiler. It's tuned on JB4. I got a catless downpipe, straight pipe from the back, and intake, and that's pretty much it. That's full bolt-on. Power is pretty good. It does about, I think, 400. I don't know the exact because I haven't dynoed it, but on paper they say it does like 420. It's pretty quick.
Who came with all the bitches? Who rolling up the weed? Who came with them double cups pouring up the team? Who came to get it started? Who came with them bottles? He a role model with the models. Who made your girl follow? Who made your girl swallow?
So this is the interior, the red seats. What I like about it is the seats. When I bought this car, the red, that's what I was looking for, and it was pretty hard to get because they had nothing but black, so they had to actually order this car from Germany, and I had to wait by like a month. Wish it was carbon fiber, but that's coming soon. You got the M Performance steering wheel. This is the main thing I really like next to the seats, because it's M Performance. You get the paddle shifters, and it's an 8-speed dual vanos. So it's not a dual clutch. You'll feel like the same quick shifts, and that's pretty much it in the interior. And then I got a speed radar right here, so you know when you're going Mexico, it's watching you. Keeps you protected. After 10 seconds, it'll get louder, then you can hear the pops, the popcorn. What I'm gonna do is carbon fiber mirror caps and a side skirt, and I'm pretty much done after that. Or maybe a hood, carbon fiber hood, but I'm like iffy about it. I don't know how it's gonna look. I don't want to look too much. Just want to make it look clean, not too much like going on.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
I did not expect that.
You didn't expect that?
No, not that loud.
It's a sleeper, man.
Oh my god.
Definition of a sleeper.
Damn. That was not expected. It started loud. I'm like, okay, it's loud. And then it went quiet. I'm like, okay, it's gonna be like nice, like low hums. But no, it popped. I felt it in the chest. What do you guys think? You like it? It's a thumbs up. Car, what's your next car?
Next car, either an M3 or a GTR.
Woo!
But maybe about a year from now.
Okay.
So that's my goal right now. But yeah. So.
Damn, big dreams. I like it.
Yeah, man.
Possible though.
I actually raced an M3 before, like a stock one.
Yeah.
And it was a good race.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got him off a little bit. We were neck to neck. Because stock M3, I think it makes around like 423, 424. It's a good car, man. It's really fun. And I had it for about 2.5 years. And every time I step in the seat, every time I get in the seat, it's like, I always put the smile on my face. And it was one of my dream cars that when I was little, playing Need for Speed Most Wanted, but the M3, the GTR, that's the car that got me into BMW. And I know it's not an M3 at the end of the day, but I was trying to get that at one point, but I was like, you know what, this is better, and it's nice, and it has all the M accents, came with the car, M Sport, so yeah, M3, the next goal right now. It's gonna be nice. It's the first time in an F30, or?
I think so, man.
Yeah.
I don't. I've been in so many cars, but
I think you've been in an M4 before.
Yeah. M3, M4.
Dude.
It sounds good. You know what I like? Yeah. It's not stupid loud in here, but it's right behind you. Yeah. Like, yo, I think someone's shooting at us.
You niggas is rocks, I step over like I'm hiking. Most don't like it, me, I love it. I just do me in the booth in public. And
we're talking about the power and super smooth, like good smooth acceleration. What's up? People like, what are they talking to themselves? Super smooth acceleration. Oh, two Subarus. Right down there. Smooth acceleration, like really clear across all the power band, like all RPMs. And it sounded freaking good. You broke some necks right there.
Disturbing the peace.
Oh my god.
One-on-one.
You ever get tired of it?
Never.
Never
get tired of it.
Never. You're just driving, you're just like...
It's my daily.
This is why you work hard, right?
Yeah.
This is why you work for this shit. So either an M3 or a GTR next?
Yeah, M3 or GTR next.
What is that?
It's a Fiat.
It's a Fiat? Is that a Fiat? Is that the Fiat I saw at the New York trade show? One of the new ones, right?
Yeah.
It kind of have like a Miata look to it?
Yeah.
What do you think? You tell me what you think. Be honest.
Look like it, yeah.
Be honest.
It looks like a Miata, man.
Yeah? Do you like it?
It looks pretty good. Just put a slap of turbo on there.
Slap a turbo. Dude, it's like, it's a very nice, strong, smooth acceleration. Smooth. And it sounds so good with the exhaust too, so you just can't hate it.
Yeah.
You can't hate it. And it's comfortable. It's a fucking Beamer, of course. Right? Stock suspension?
Yeah, stock is the M Performance suspension.
Okay.
So.
Okay, upgrade stock. Basically, yeah.
Upgrade from stock.
Yeah.
And might do coils, so I don't know yet.
Yeah.
A lot of people say just do bags.
Bags, dude. Okay, so for me,
I don't know.
the best thing I've ever bought for the GTR was the bags.
Because how low it is.
Dude, I would be happy with this GTR being stock with maybe loud exhaust, but stock
Yeah.
with bags. I'd be completely happy because I can drive it as low and look as low as I want. But remember when we passed up that big ass bump?
Yeah.
I don't even worry. I can go head on to it.
Yeah, because you just looked at
I'm
all
so
the
high, dude. I monster truck it. This is the entrance to the escape room. If you guys are wondering, you drive straight through here, all the way over, and over to the left is where we're gonna be.
That's my IG. We do making some clouds.
We'll make some clouds. Cloud maker over here.
Yeah, man.
That's crazy.
This is my my friend's GTR. I think it's fast,
shit.
dude. It's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
600 something horsepower.
Shoot him a follow. If you guys are kind of follow him, let's get him to almost 300.
Well, yeah, almost 300.
Oh, 300 followers, because he has 260 something I saw.
263,
something like that. 260 something.
Yeah.
If we can, I'm gonna ask you guys for help.
Well, how about 1,000?
Oh, try to
do
get.
that.
Hey, try.
Dream big.
Dream big. Okay, there you go.
Dream big, settle in the middle.
Let's see. Settle in the middle. Okay, I got you. All right, let's see what you guys can do. You guys got it? Let's go.
Dang, I just made breakfast. Girl, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
See you. Bye.
Food all over her face. Say bye-bye.
Thanks for
We're gonna say goodbye to David.
Peace.
Until next time, I want to visit Sacramento, so I don't know when. It's just a matter of finding time. Hopefully, we can get his other counterpart, which is Davis.
Yes.
So one of the 3 boys to visit. In the meantime, say bye to David.
Later.
Bye bye. Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna lie. I fell asleep. It took a solid 1 hour nap. And now we're 15 minutes late to go to our next event. Come here, little buddy. Say hi to the vlog. Sit down. Don't lick my camera, please. I love you. currently at Iris's parents' house for her grandpa's birthday. He'll be here. He's an OG, dude, like OG from the Philippines. And I'm gonna start editing. So by the time they get here, we can party up. Oh, you guys, do you see this? 50 pounds of goodness. Say hello. That's the great grandfather. Look, it's your great grandfather. Aaliyah.
You're gonna eat now? You going first?
Look, she's not crying.
I know!
Oh my gosh. More food. I'm never gonna get in shape. Gosh. Oh, we're not done yet. Look at all of this.
Our Heavenly Father, we thank you so much for bringing this family together.
Come on. Come on, Sita. What happened? Oh, you're taking one too? Yeah! Oh man, who are you? Cheers. Cheers, bud. We'll take a jelly shot. Look at this. That's marriage goals right there. Something you guys gotta understand is the whole family do not drink. I'm the only drinker here usually.
Some ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me.
Woo! Omar's here. Back at it again, baby. God, I'm too tired for this.
Trying to clean up. She's in love with.
Oh my god. Can we go get a drink?
Salita ako ba, AJ?
I meant like Omar never happens like